Namaste Doston. We all know India is a land of farmers. Today we're talking about drones and how they're changing the game for our farmers. Imagine a flying machine that can monitor crops, spray pesticides, even plant seeds, all while you relax under the shade of a tree. This is the power of drone technology, and with Drone as a Service, you can rent a drone whenever you need it. Stick around because things are about to get interesting. Remember the days when you had to walk through your entire field to check if your crops were healthy? Those days are gone, my friends. With drones, you can now monitor your entire farm from the sky. These drones come equipped with special cameras that can see things our eyes can't. They can tell if your plants are thirsty or have a disease. Imagine this. You're at home and you get a notification on your phone. You open the app and see a detailed report of your farm. No more guessing games, just accurate information at your fingertips. It's like having a 24/7 crop doctor in the sky. In India, we understand the value of every drop of water. With drones, say goodbye to wasteful practices and hello to precision agriculture. Special cameras analyze your soil, tell you which areas need more nutrients, where moisture levels are low. Apply fertilizers and water only where needed, saving money and resources. No more guessing. Just the right amount, at the right place. This benefits your wallet and the environment. Less chemical runoff, less water wastage. It's a win-win for you and Mother Nature. Chapter 3. Mapping made easy. No more janjat. Surveying your land can be a real headache, especially if you have a large farm. But guess what? Drones are here to simplify things. These flying wonders can capture high-resolution images of your entire field, creating detailed maps in a jiffy. And these aren't just any maps. They can show you the topography of your land, identify uneven terrain, even spot those sneaky planting gaps. This information is gold for planning your crop rotation strategies and optimizing your field layout. No more spending days walking around with measuring tapes and notebooks. Drones do the hard work for you, giving you more time to focus on what you do best, growing food for the nation. Chapter 4. Superhero spraying, fast, efficient, safe spraying pesticides. It's a necessary evil, but it can be risky and time-consuming. But not anymore, my friends. Drones are here to transform the way we spray our crops. Imagine this. A drone equipped with a high-tech spraying system gliding over your field, ensuring every inch is covered evenly. No more uneven spraying, no more missed spots, just precise and efficient application. This means you'll use less pesticides, saving you money and protecting the environment. And the best part, drones keep you safe by minimizing your exposure to harmful chemicals. It's like having a superhero protect your crops while you relax. Chapter 5. Seed planting, even on a hillside. Planting seeds on difficult terrain can be a real challenge. But guess what? Drones don't care about hills or uneven land. With their advanced technology, drones can now plant seeds directly into the soil, even in areas that are hard to reach. This means you can now utilize every inch of your land, even those challenging spots you thought were impossible to cultivate. Plus, drone planting is super fast and efficient, saving you time and labor costs. It's like having an army of tiny robots working tirelessly to plant your future harvest. Outro ready to take off with Drone Novator. So there you have it, folks. Drones are transforming the face of Indian agriculture, making life easier and more productive for our hardworking farmers. From monitoring crop health to precision spraying and even planting seeds, the possibilities are endless. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, Raghav, but how do I get started? Well, that's where Drone Novator comes in. We offer a hassle-free drone as a service model, so you can experience the power of drone technology without breaking the bank. Ready to elevate your farming operations? Partner with Drone Novator today and experience the future of agriculture, because together we can grow more, save more, and build a brighter future for Indian agriculture.